Is it recording? Oh. Hey yo, Marty gang, Merely gang. So, this is a day. Well, this is why I call it Merely gang. Because this is a day vlog. As I was saying, yeah, taking out my nephew. There's a bunch of people, cars here. Look, one right here. One pass by. There's like so many people that live here. So, look at that. So I am in Nashville, Tennessee. This is where my sister lives. My sister lives here. My sister lives here. She likes it here. No, Marty. Can't go on private property. Right, so Tennessee, she likes it here for duty. Mostly go around in the car, just looking around. So my second time coming here. First time when my sister doesn't live here, doesn't live with me. First time up here, Marty. I always like the good daughter. Nope. Go up. Come on, Marty. Watch this view. So we finished the walk. I didn't record because it died. So it was like a 20-minute walk. He pooped like 5 times. Like, it smelled bad. I didn't even go to smell it. He just did it in the same area, and you could smell it. And I was like this. It smells so bad. So we finished. I know it was a small vlog. It's not really a vlog, it's just a dog vlog. It's a dog vlog. How vlogs about people, you know. Who's doing that? Let's see, this is it. This one's a dog vlog right here. He hates camera, so God, you hate it so much. It's a dog vlog. And yeah, the one that I'm uploading right now is a life vlog. I should have said home vlog. I made it in this house right now. So yeah, like and subscribe. Music is gonna be pretty good. The music is pretty good. So tomorrow I will do another vlog. Yeah, today's the dog vlog. Today's vlog. Look at this dude. You know this team right here? Tennessee Titans. I like this team. This is the page right here. So yeah, this will be the end of the vlog. See you guys later. Goodbye. Mary Gang and Jerry Gang. What should I call you guys? Just say what I call you guys. Yeah, so Mary Gang, Jared Gang. See you guys later.